I'm trying to be like super gentle, but then that happened.
How does Hey everybody! Welcome to yet another video. So, look what I made. I know, pretty awesome, right? This is a profile 3D airplane that I sort of attempted to fly and build, and I was just editing the video, but I realized there's a problem, and the problem was not just that this thing did not fly at all. Well, it was because I broke my own rule, which was to make videos interesting, or don't make them at all. Anyway, so what I want to do in this video, so this is just a little intro because, you know, I don't want to bore you with all the other, all the stuff, but what I do want to ask you is, why doesn't this fly? Why doesn't this fly? Please tell me. Comment below. Don't be mean. I didn't know what I was doing, but just tell me, what could I do to improve this? Is it the CG? It's the CG, isn't it? I figured it was the CG. Just a fun fact, I have a Turnigy AeroDrive 2830/11 1000 kV. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Just to give you like a general idea of the dimensions here, this is a ruler, or a yardstick. It'd be a very large ruler. The fuselage length is approximately exactly 30 inches-ish, and the wingspan is approximately exactly over 36 inches, probably 40 inches. So it's kind of big. And then I've got like some 9-gram servos on here, so I do feel like, I don't know, I feel like it was close. I feel like it was close. I feel like the wing probably could have been farther back. One of the things that I do think is kind of cool about this is actually that the way that I put the wing on, it's made so that it's, you could take off these rubber bands here, and then viola, the wing comes off. And I put some pro tip here. I put hot glue on here and smeared it on here so that it would have a little bit of stickiness to the the fuselage, the bottom of it. So like it could move around if it really crashed, but it wouldn't just be shifting around while it's flying around. Of course, I didn't really need to worry about that because it didn't really fly around. So anyway, yeah, leave a comment below and tell me like what is the deal here, and also like are there good plans somewhere for like just a super simple, cheap 3D foamy, because that's really what I want, and this thing was just too big. It just wasn't. There's so much wrong with this. I'm using a 30 amp ESC, which I think is way too big. I did buy other supplies. I have them here. I'll show you. I got this little itty bitty motor, which is because I want to make something like much smaller than this, like maybe like 30 inches, like a foam board width in wingspan. And I got this little itty bitty motor. It's like a Herc, what is it, 250 or 300 or something, or Heads Up RC, not Herc. And I got these itty bitty baby servos. These are actually, they're not itty bitty baby, but they're 5-gram servos. They're very small. So I think that would work much better. But yeah, give me some tips. Give me some tips for general things that you want to make sure that you do for a 3D profile airplane. That would be super great. So without further ado, here are some clips of me attempting to fly this thing and mainly just crashing it. And so hopefully that'll be kind of enjoyable for you. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please leave a comment below and tell me what the heck is going on here, because I don't know. And give this video a thumbs up if you're like, hey, I like that. Alright, see you next time. Dave. I'm just kidding. I knew there was somebody out there named Dave and you like freaked out, but it's all good. Alright, catch you on the next one.
Wow. That's probably not the best plan, but wow. It's way too much wiring. All this wiring is very heavy.
and really way too much weight overall. I don't really have the proper electronic setup for something like this. This battery is an 850 milliamp hour 3-cell. Still too large. I think probably like a 500 would be better.
Wow, that was pretty good. It has very little stability, like at all. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, well, okay, so what did we learn? Well, we learned that this tail design is not super great. I mean, it's not the most durable. Oh, wow. This is going to be awful, but here we go. I'm trying to be like super gentle, but then that happened. Should I even bother giving it one more try? Probably not. Let's do it anyway. So is our elevator, it's kind of working. No. So our elevator's not doing anything. Yeah,